Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open or launch any apps of Mac computer wirelessly from iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your Mac computer, just open the App Store and just search for Chocolate Workflow Sweetener. Now you will see the application. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So firstly, download and install it on your respective Mac computers, and after that on your iPhone or iPad devices, just open the App Store and search for the similar application, Chocolate Workflow Sweetener. Now you will see the application. Just click on it and click on Get or Install. So now once you have installed the similar application on your iPhone or iPad devices, just open the similar application on both of your devices. Click on Allow. Now put the code that is being shown on your Mac computers on your iPhone smartphone or iPad smartphone. Now click on Connect. So finally we have connected. Now on your Mac computer, just click on this blank boxes so you can see Add Apps. So just click on this option. Now you can add your respective application. So you can see it's showing up on your iPhone devices also. So similarly you can add multiple apps. So finally we have added all the respective applications that I want to launch from my iPhone devices. So you can just minimize this application right now. Now if I click on the respective Mac app icons on my respective iPhone smartphone, so you can see I can launch directly the Mac applications wirelessly from my iPhone devices. So it's working properly. So let me try to open the other application as well. So you can clearly see it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily open or launch any apps of Mac computer wirelessly from iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.